it's time. It's Vloggy Vlog time! Welcome back to the Vloggy Vlog. Your boy Chris Chicago, wifey Jessica. This guy had a birthday.
How old are you?
How old are you? 2! Are you 2?
Like, why do they keep saying that to me?
Today's adventure brings us here. The Rainforest Cafe.
But not just any Rainforest Cafe. The Rainforest Cafe in Galveston, Texas has its own. Right over my shoulder here.
It's got a dark ride. It's actually called the
River.
Rainforest River Adventure Ride. It's a dark ride, themed very well. We're gonna check that out today. We're not gonna go in the ocean. We're not gonna get wet today, but we are gonna go on a ride, get some food, and check out this place right here. Rainforest Cafe, the dark ride. Come along with us, it's gonna be awesome. This queue is actually pretty awesome. It's a little humid inside this queue, but it's themed really well. Looks like you're inside of a cave, inside some rocks. There's Ado. What's that face, buddy? You don't want to go on this ride?
I feel like there must be a good story behind this sign.
If you see or experience unsafe conditions on an amusement ride, or if an amusement ride operator appears to be violating the law, please notify. What do you think happened?
I don't know, there's gotta be a reason they had to post it.
What's up, buddy?
He's all about
What's
dead.
All right, we're getting super close. Unlike the last ride that I tried to get on, if you watch a couple of vlogs ago. Pretty sure I'm gonna fit on this ride. I don't think I'm gonna be turned away. After a long wait and a long line, I think I'm going to make it. Oh yes, my wife has it. She wants the receipt. Here we go, it's our turn. Don't fall, Ado. Oh, I almost fell there. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Finny Finn, you ready? Locke, you ready? Jess, you ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! The theming in here is so awesome. Wow! There we are. Grab the animatronics, bro.
I had to.
temple back there. It's a nasty looking anaconda right there. Crocodile. It's a crocodile. Whoa. Look at the crocodiles.
Nice.
Oh, you got to be careful. They might bite off your finger. What is it? Elephants. What kind of elephants are those? Take a guess. African?
I think it's an Asian.
Watch out, Kels. This is a mean, angry cat.
God, behind you.
Oh, we're going into a temple. I've got a bad feeling about this.
You're a dork.
I'm a dork?
You're a dork.
That's so cool. My hat is glowing.
Yeah, exactly.
And here we go, just like that. We're at the end.
I don't know.
Well, that's gonna do it from our adventure to the Rainforest Cafe to ride the ride. But real quick though, we did eat before going on the ride. So we got in line for the ride, and then we actually got back out of line
For our table.
because we got texted for our table. So we did eat, and I feel like we've been pretty like not excited to ever eat at a Rainforest Cafe.
It always kind of seems like kind of mediocre, like Applebee's type food, but really
Yeah,
expensive.
never really impressed with the food, but today, for some reason,
It was really good.
The
Our
food was
server
awesome.
Was great.
what'd you get?
I got a Korean stir fry. It was like kind of spicy and sweet.
I got a
Yeah,
bacon
you-
burger.
you
Kids
got
got
your
their
face
faces
painted.
which was super fun.
Aiden, how was your bacon burger, buddy?
It was okay.
Burger series or no burger series?
It's not on the chart.
But it was good. Yeah, it was a great experience.
I got the shrimp tacos, so good.
Yeah, it was really fun.
Great experience. The dark ride is so awesome.
Yeah.
The theming is just incredible
Like a
here.
little taste of theme park feeling.
A little taste. We're a Disney family. You see, I conquered the people mover. So look, when we can't go to Disney, having the option to do a dark ride right down the road,
Yeah.
Houston, Galveston, super awesome. So yeah, definitely if you're in the area, check it out. It's fun. Food is good. The ride is awesome, and it's just literally right across from the ocean.
Yep,
So from the queue, you can see the water.
it's awesome.
Yeah. I feel like you're trying to wrap this up, babe.
I thought this was a wrap up.
It is the wrap. Am I talking too much?
No, you're awesome.
All right, you know the deal. Thank you for watching. High five. Hit subscribe, baby.
You said hit subscribe?
Did I say hip subscribe?
Hit hammer the subscribe button.
Smash that like button.
Smash the like
Smash
button.
the like button.
Turn on notifications and subscribe to Cutie Pie.
What?
Not
No.
Subscribe to Cutie Pie.
What? Who is that? Okay, so it's not over yet. Real quick.
You want to see the Sonic that has the best view in the whole world?
Oh, the one with you in it?
Oh,
Aw,
sweet.
you're so pretty.
Well, in addition to me and your beautiful children.
Did you say cringe alert?
I think that means we're doing something right.
I guess so.
Check this
All
out.
right, check out this Sonic view. What?
You
Guys,
know,
you get to see the street. Isn't that amazing?
just
That's
a
the
Sonic
ocean.
With a view of the Gulf of Mexico.
That's the Gulf of Mexico right there. How amazing. Okay,
Pretty awesome.
the vlog is really over this time, right?
Is
But
it
is
for
it?
real?